Hi, Dr. Wallach.
Hi.
Thank you for taking my call.
Yes, ma'am. How can we help you?
I have a friend that 6 months ago, they removed her thyroid gland, and she had cancer on it, and she also refused to have radiation. She also doesn't have her gallbladder, and she's type 2 diabetes. She's going through menopause, and she complains a lot about her neck and back pain. And she wants to know also if the pain on her neck is because of the thyroid, that they removed her thyroid.
Probably not, okay? But she has a lot of stuff here. How much does she weigh?
158 pounds, and she's 5'2". She's 46 years old.
Okay, 5'2". Okay. All right, Charmaine, what's going on here? This friend of Teresa's, she has her thyroid up because of thyroid cancer. Okay, she has had her gallbladder removed, probably because of pain on her right side. She has type 2 diabetes. She's got musculoskeletal stuff, okay, in her neck and back. What's her underlying problem here?
She's got a gluten intolerance, and she's not able to absorb nutrients, what little there is in the food.
Okay, there you go. And so what would you do for her to support her immune system, which is your best friend, when you have cancer, history of cancer? And what would you do for to support healthy blood sugar, healthy maintenance repair, cartilage, ligaments, tendons, connective tissue? We got a gallbladder missing. And what would you do for her immune system to, help her? I would not give her any thyroid stuff. Okay, it'll be enough in the basic program for maintenance, but I wouldn't give her any more to push the thyroid, okay, because of the history of cancer in it. Okay, so what would you do for her diet-wise and also supplement program?
I would get her on a gluten-free diet, obviously, and none of the bad stuff, no oils, no burnt animal fat, no meats, deli meats. And then I would get her on 2 healthy brain and heart packs.
Okay.
I would get her on some glucogel. I would get her on some sweeties. And I would get her on some ultimate enzymes. And then some,
because that's our gallbladder in a bottle, and it has the bile in it.
And then some vitamin D3.
Okay, excellent. Vitamin D3. Yep. And so also some. What would you do for maintenance, repair, cartilage, and ligaments in addition to the 2 healthy brain and heart packs?
I said glucogel. Some
glucogel. Yes, ma'am. Okay, get 2 bottles of glucogel, 15 of those a day. Vitamin D3, 3 of those twice a day. And what would you do in addition to getting rid of the fried foods and the processed meats and the oils and the glutens, wheat, barley, rye, and oat? When people have a thyroid problem, there's another thing you need to remove out of the diet. What class of nutrients would you get out of the diet?
No cruciferous vegetables.
Very good. No cruciferous vegetables, no cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, or kale, because they interfere with thyroid function. And may even, if you eat a lot of that stuff, who knows? And so just stay away from it completely, and that's going to quiet things down also. But Shar is exactly right. It's imperative that she and everybody in the household get rid of the fried foods, the processed meats, the oils, the glutens, and cruciferous vegetables. The sweeties, at her body weight, I'd have her take 2 bottles a month of the sweeties, so she can take 3 of those twice a day. If she's on medication, which she probably is, she needs to check her fasting blood sugar every morning, and as her blood sugar drops, and it will, she needs to reduce her medication as her doctor has taught her to do. Okay? And let's see here. I think that's where we want to go with all that. And I would have her take 1 or 2 of those ultimate enzymes, say 2 minutes before each meal, a couple ounces of water, and so that the enzymes are waiting for the food down in the stomach, and also that bile, ox bile that's in there, is going to help her absorb good fats and also help her absorb the fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. And so you need that bile, and if they've taken out her gallbladder, who knows what's going on in there. But usually that's because of a gluten problem. The ascending colon, the transverse colon, and the descending colon are painful when you have gluten problems in there. And the only thing doctors do, they scratch your head, well, you got pain under your ribs on the right side, we'll take your gallbladder out. And 99% of the time it doesn't solve the problem, because the gallbladder doesn't create gallstones. It's the liver that does that. The gallbladder is just an innocent bag.
You want to hear a staggering stat? Every 25 seconds, someone in America has a coronary or heart event. Wow. Now you can see why heart disease is the leading cause of death among men and women. And obviously the heart the grand central station that has all the oxygen to supply our body, is something we do not want to be messing with. Well, let's also not forget about the brain. The incidence of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's has steadily been on the rise. Brain health, function, cognition, activity, not just brain exercises like Sudoku are important, but so is exercise, actually more powerful. But we also need to feed the brain the nutrients it needs to develop, and then also protect it from all the toxins that can destroy it. So you're probably thinking that it seems a bit odd that we put two such unique areas, the brain and the heart, in one pack. Doesn't seem like there would be much of a link. But when you look at the nutrients that support these two areas, you'll kind of understand. First off, the pack contains Ultimate EFA. They're a very powerful blend of healthy fats, the omegas 3, 6, and 9. It's the reason why you're told to eat more fish, and with good reason. Because 2/3 of your brain is actually made up of fats. But not just any fats, but these specific types of fats. And we've put it in the most bioavailable and concentrated forms in our pack. Well, these same fats are also extremely beneficial for heart health. Omega fats have been researched and shown to reduce inflammation, decrease triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and a whole host of other heart-healthy benefits. But the real jewel of the brain and the heart pack is Ultimate Selenium, a blend of powerful vitamin antioxidants. Every day, you're obviously using your brain and heart, pumping blood, thinking, solving the world's problems. Well, all that stress creates a whole lot of toxicity. Those toxins need to be neutralized and quickly shuttled out of the body. That's why the antioxidants are so important. They keep your heart pumping and your brain thinking.
How can anyone hope to lose weight and stay healthy when high-calorie, high-sugar foods are everywhere? Everyone can benefit from a little nutritional help to support their body in managing the effects of sugary temptation. With Glucogenics from Youngevity, we've taken the latest scientific research to put together the optimal nutrients known for blood sugar management all in one nutritional supplement. Glucogenics is an advanced metabolic formula of botanical, antioxidants, and fiber that support your body's natural ability to help manage blood sugar levels. We've added Youngevity's prehistoric plant and marine mineral complex, plus chromium, magnesium, vanadium, and zinc, all known to support healthy blood sugar. Glucogenics, the help you need to better regulate blood sugar levels and help manage the effects of eating too much sugar. Speak with your Youngevity distributor to learn more.
Cardio Beats from Youngevity supports a healthy cardiovascular system and helps supply the nutrients your body needs to support better physical endurance. Your capacity to last a little longer is largely based on how well your cardiovascular system expends oxygen and circulates blood through your body. Cardio Beats helps combat the oxidative stress caused by physical activity by supplying you with key nutrients that support your cardiovascular system. These nutrients have also been shown to help improve endurance. Cardio Beats starts with organic beets, a rich source of nitrates to support healthy blood flow and oxygen transport. We've added whole foods from highly bioavailable seaweed and mango fruit, both known for blood flow support, and antioxidant-rich sweet cherries. Then, for even more heart health benefits, we finished it off with key amino acids. Take your physical endurance to the next level with Cardio Beats. Talk to your Youngevity associate for more information.